I was scrolling through my social media feed the other day and stumbled upon a post from Jennifer Aniston where she mentioned that she's been incorporating the gelatin trick into her daily routine. I've been a fan of hers for ages, and I was intrigued by the idea of starting my day with something as simple as gelatin. So, I decided to give the gelatin trick a try, and I have to say, it's completely transformed my mornings. I used to wake up feeling sluggish and bloated, but since I started doing the gelatin trick, I've noticed that I'm able to wake up feeling refreshed, and my digestive system is much happier. The gelatin trick has become a staple in my morning routine, and I love how it helps me drop that heavy feeling and start my day on a lighter note. I've been experimenting with different flavors and ways to incorporate the gelatin trick into my daily life, and I'm excited to share my favorite tips with you. If you want to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily routine, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to take a look at the pinned comment, where I've shared some additional resources to get you started with the gelatin trick.